Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to make payment for your order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So just like what you see on my screen right here, someone contacts me from my YouTube channel on my WhatsApp right here, and that I should make payment for their goods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, and I decided to make a video about it so you can see how we make payment to supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's dive in. So I'm going to exit from my WhatsApp right here, then I'll go ahead and open up my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to my profile. The next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then here we go. You can see the product right here, the first one here and the second one right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select them one after the other, and then select the second one. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So here we go. I'm paying the sum of 105.2 yuan to purchase the first and the second link right here. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Allow the Alipay to connect. Then go ahead and enter your payment password. Payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here, done. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pop-up. I have to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. You can see it right here, the first one and the second one. Lastly, I will go ahead and exit from Pinduoduo, come to my WhatsApp right here and send proof of payment to this person that asked me to pay for them on Pinduoduo. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here, click on my gallery, select the proof of payment and say payments made. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo, however, JD.com, 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.